So Ashford Hills pops up looking like one of those luxury but affordable fashion stores that makes your wallet whisper, "Finally, my time has come."
Nice.
The site shows jackets, wedge sneakers, tumblers, big discounts, a 30-day money back guarantee, and even secure checkout logos. On the surface, it looks clean. But as we know, some websites dress better than they behave. Now, first warning, don't confuse Ashford Hills with Ashford.com, the older watch retailer. Ashford Hills is its own clothing and shoe store, and the reviews are not exactly walking down the runway with confidence. On Trustpilot, Ashford Hills has a 2 rating from 23 reviews, with 83% being 1 star. That is not a review score, that is a fire alarm with sneakers on. The complaints are rough. Some customers say their orders never arrived, others say tracking looks suspicious, and some claim the shoes they received were not authentic. One reviewer said the box looked fake, another called it a scam website selling counterfeit products, and another said they waited over a month with no real refund help. To be fair, not every review is pure disaster. A few customers said they eventually received shoes and were okay with them, especially for the price. But even one positive reviewer admitted they didn't think the shoes were authentic. That is like saying, the burger tasted fine, but I'm not fully sure it was beef. Not the confidence boost you want before checkout. Then Scam Advisor walks in like the internet police and gives ashfordhills.com a trust score of 0. It flags hidden ownership, low traffic rank, and a very young domain, while also saying the site may be a scam. The shop app page also showed no matching results when opened, which does not help the confidence meter. Final verdict: Ashford Hills looks risky. If you still buy, use strong buyer protection. But personally, I would not let my cart go hiking in these hills. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.